Hello and welcome to the CC3100 tutorial, setting up your Wi-Fi module with your Tiva Launchpad. Today we'll be using Energia software for this example. Step 1, go to energia.nu, download the correct version for your operating system. Once the software is installed and downloaded, run the software and open up an example sketch. Still using examples, the Wi-Fi, simple web server Wi-Fi. So we have open here. Scroll down, and first thing you want to set up is your SSID and password. So that's your network name and password. Today we're using a cell phone as a hotspot. The Tiva Launchpad is not compatible with the commercial enterprise Wi-Fi, so you have to have a personal Wi-Fi network or your own hotspot. So the code here is starting the web server in port 80, which is the HTTP web client port. The client print line here is initiating the web page, which you'll be using the interface with. We have our header here and our two buttons for high and low, which will be toggling your LED on and off. The code below here is taking the red data and comparing it for high state and low state. Bottom of the code here is just printing the status for your connection as long as the IP address. So now that your code is set up, go to Tools, Serial Port, make sure your COM port is selected. Your board, we're using the Launchpad Tiva TMC 123 80 MHz processor. So let's verify the software. It's done compiling. We can upload it to our Launchpad. Make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Launchpad, the Android AP network we're using. So go to Tools, Serial Monitor. Make sure your baud rate is set, the same baud rate as the Launchpad's set up for in your code. Press the reset button on your Launchpad, and you should see it connect to your network. An IP address will be handed to your Launchpad. Open up your web browser, enter that IP address, and you'll see the HTML scripting page come up. Press the high button, and you should see the high LED come on, red LED, and low will toggle the low LED. That's all there is to it.